Journal case. Lawyers are seeking to depose Rupert Murdoch, pardon me. Can you say what the lawyers hope to get out of that?
We're going to see. It's in the lawyers' hands. They would like us to drop that. And so we'll see.
A few moments later.
Now, this is a story that hasn't received as much attention as it should. A response from the Murdoch camp is actually equal parts hilarious as it is damning, especially considering the source, right? Now, it's apparent the MAGA coalition is fractured, right? That shit is nowhere clearer than in the tension over the Epstein files. Take, for instance, the recent report from Time magazine, which describes how former Congresswoman and one-time MAGA cheerleader Marjorie Taylor Greene confronted the Trump orbit over its handling of Epstein-related documents, accusing the president of resisting transparency and then backtracking only when it became politically untenable.
And then what's going on with the Epstein files. And I'm not making this partisan. I'm saying it is an elite problem. John Ossoff is now calling it the Epstein class and even name-checked George Soros in his campaign rally. If it's us versus them, and Trump is just saying, ignore it, it's going to go away. And you have Howard Lutnick, for instance, testifying that he went to the island in 2012 when he said in 2000.
You never cared about this until now because Trump won. This is just like immigration. You didn't care about all the illegals until Trump won, and now you care about Epstein.
Well,
Trump's fine under Epstein.
I was obviously very careful to say that. I am not accusing the president of doing anything. I'm saying that he has an Epstein files problem and he knows it.
The Trump administration is not releasing the information. And I got yelled at by the president over this. This is why he called me a traitor. He called me a traitor because I would not take my name off the discharge petition, because I stood firmly and said, no, we're going to release the Epstein files. I'm standing with women who were raped as teenagers. I'm not standing with the government. I don't support the cover up of all of this stuff, whatever it may be. And the president got mad at me and he told me, and I've said this multiple times, he told me his friends would get hurt.
And now this, as the legal and media ramifications over the Epstein files are coming to fruition. Last year, as we know, Donald Trump filed a defamation lawsuit against the Wall Street Journal and its parent company over reporting that he sent a sexually suggestive note framed within a sketch to convicted sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein for his 50th birthday. That lawsuit sought at least $10 billion and has named the newspaper and the media mogul himself, Rupert Murdoch.
I've been treated very unfairly by the Wall Street Journal and everything. I mean, I don't know. They even hired people from the Washington Post, third-rate reporters, gossip-type reporters. It's all gossip. And, I've been treated badly by the Wall Street Journal. I would have assumed that Rupert Murdoch controls it, but, maybe he does, maybe he doesn't. They are talking to us about doing something, but we'll see what happens. Maybe they would like us to drop that. And so we'll see.
Having their settlement talks.
Yeah, they want to settle it.
With money involved?
He's treated us wrong. I mean,
The article in question detailed how the letter, part of a compilation of notes from Epstein's social circle, bore Trump's signature beneath a very suggestive and crude drawing. Now, of course, Trump denied the authorship of the letter or drawing and condemned the report as defamatory. And this conflict isn't just a stray legal fight, right? It puts Trump against a major conservative media infrastructure that in prior years was crucial in garnering his support. And as Mother Jones reported in an article just released today titled "Murdoch's Defense in Epstein Lawsuit, Trump is Lewd." Well, Murdoch and his team are arguing, and get this, that Trump is just too lewd a person to suffer reputational harm from this story. And as evidence, they're actually using the infamous Access Hollywood video in which Trump boasted that due to his celebrity status, he could sexually assault women and get away with it to boost their defense. I mean, you could not make this up. The same people who ran stories protecting Trump after that video was released are now using it against him. And that person, yes, Rupert Murdoch, whose Fox News, New York Post, and Wall Street Journal of old provide the most prominent media platform for Trump to sell his excuses and spread propaganda, are now saying that Trump is such a terrible person that an association with an affectionate note to a sex criminal cannot tarnish his political image. Wow, they really are fighting, aren't they?
Vance, so we just mentioned the midterms. I want to just put up